interface development, web designing creates fascinating and alluring websites to help a company or an organization promote its brand. Web designing is critical in today's tech savvy world where most companies sell or promote their products or services online. By taking the course on web designing, the candidate learns about the different areas framed under the course, like web graphic design, interface design, SEO, and standardized code, proprietary software, user experience design. Practical and eye catching designs make a website captivating. This helps grab the consumer's attention to the brand, increasing the company's sales. A skilled website designer creates responsive layouts to be accessed via multiple channels and improves the client's engagement with a specific website, thus ensuring a boost in the revenue stream. With the increased number of startups and other business establishments, web designing has become a more familiar process to boost their business. Well qualified candidates in web designing courses help companies build their reputations and bright careers for themselves. Crafting digital experiences, course objectives, and outcomes objectives. Introduce web design fundamentals and internet principles. Construct webs HTML and CS. Build dynamic web pages with JavaScript validation. Outcomes. Describe the WWW concept and effective web design requirements. Develop web pages with HTML and CS for various layouts. Utilize JavaScript for dynamic web page development. Our course objectives are designed to provide a solid foundation in web design principles. You'll explore the intricacies of the internet, learn to construct websites, and build interactive web pages with JavaScript. By mastering these objectives, you'll be well equipped to create exceptional user experiences. Upon completion, you'll be able to evaluate interactive web pages, implement real-time applications using event handling, and construct web applications. Join us and unlock the power of digital design. Benefits of a web designing course. Creative talent optimization. Build attractive web pages by optimizing your creative talent. Work from home. Work on multiple projects from the comfort of your home. Freelance opportunities. Earn reasonable sums as an experienced freelance web designer. High demand. Meet the ever-present requirements for web designers in organizations. Introduction to Web Essentials and Web Development Internet. World Wide Web. Components of web. Types of websites. Role of web browser and web server. Client, server and communication. HTTP request message response message. HTML introduction to HTML opening closing tags. HTML page structure. How to create HTML file. Basic HTML tags, image tag and attributes, HTML lists, ordered and unordered lists, creating website homepage using basic tags, table tags in HTML, table attributes in HTML, designing a calendar using HTML table, HTML hyperlinks, HTML form elements, HTML input types, HTML input attributes, HTML frames, designing a homepage of a website, CSS introduction to Cascade sheet, types of CSS, types of CSS, using Interses, basic CSS properties, border properties, creating professional web page using HTML and CSS. JavaScript introduction to JavaScript, uses of JavaScript, data types, variables, scope, and lifetime operators. JavaScript conditional statements and looping statements. JavaScript arrays and methods in arrays. Functions in JavaScript, math operations, JavaScript building random code generator, ways to embed JS, events in JavaScript, career paths. From web designer to web developer, web designer, create visually appealing and user-friendly website layouts. Web developer, bring designs to life through coding and programming skills. A web designing course can lead to various career paths. As a web designer, you'll have the opportunity to shape the visual identity of brands, designing intuitive interfaces and captivating user experiences. If coding is your passion, you can become a web developer. You'll build websites that function seamlessly. Whether you choose the design or development path, your skills will be highly valued. As the digital landscape expands, the demand for talented web professionals will only continue to grow. Join us today and embark on a journey to build a successful career in the exciting world of web design.